Welcome. Got a bit of a project here. This is a Tinyhawk. Nothing wrong with it, runs great. I've got plenty of other quads and I'm going to be sending this on to some unsuspecting friend of mine. They have an EU radio with the latest version 2 firmware, so this isn't compatible. This is D8 FCC only, unlike the Tinyhawk S and all the other new ones, so I'm going to have to put a receiver in it for them. I've got an XM here and I've already flashed it to version 2.1 Free Sky ACCST protocol, so I've got to get into this and wire that in. I think this has an onboard D8 receiver, but we'll see. So enjoy the ride. Maiden test. I've only got my arms set up. Success. Right, this is going to get boxed up and shipped off to you, secret person. But if you need to bind it, there's the bind button. Nice and accessible. Might be a bit fiddly, but better than taking the whole quad apart. Well, there you go. That's a success. This will be on its way with some other bits and bobs to the lucky person. They're not lucky really, they do a lot for other people and they're very deserving of this. You know who you are, and thank you for what you do. Much appreciated. Yes, stop beeping at me. Calm down. I'll overlay the schematic of where to wire it in, if you're in the same predicament. It'll keep this flying. These are brilliant little things. You'll be able to pick it up dirt cheap now. Oh, nice little place to wire it into. Now it's got a nice little tail. Whee! Right, thanks for watching. Any questions, always happy to answer. Take care, flappy highin'. Bye!
Here, fella. Hey.